Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio. So let us start. First of all, go to the Google and search Visual Studio. Here you can see Visual Studio IDE and code editor for software developers. Click on it. Now here you can see Visual Studio 17.2. Now you can see here it's download Visual Studio Community 2022. Click on it. Now it's already downloaded. Click on it. It's installer. Now it can install the full Visual Studio 17.2. It takes some time to download and install. Continue. Now it will download and install Visual Studio 17.2. Now here you can see the workloads which you want to install. You can install these packages later, but right now we can download and install this .NET in desktop development. Now you can here see the install option. Now click install, and now it will download and install at the same time. It takes some time to install. So let us wait and have a cup of coffee while it is installing. Now Visual Studio has been downloaded. Now it shows the window here. You have to sign in here, but you can click not now, maybe later. Click on it. Now it shows the template which one you are to use. I can use this below and start Visual Studio. Now you can see here, get started. You can either create a new project or open the existing project here, but here we want to click continue without code. Now we are in the Visual Studio. We can create a new project here. Now you can here choose which language you want to use. For example, I want to Visual Basic, and here you can choose a platform, that is Windows, and here you can choose, but right now I want to choose desktop. And now here you can choose any thing you want to create. I want to create here Windows Form app. Click next. You can name here your project, that's project name. Where you want to store it, you can use the destination folder and the solution name, and you can click here next. The framework .NET 6.0, create. can see it's creating a new project on which we can work and create a software. This shows a new dialog box. Here is an error. Here you must have to restart the computer and it will work smoothly after you restart. This was all about how to download and install Visual Studio, where you can create, develop software. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.